Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're not going to do a modeling tutorial, we're going to talk about a new game release. Now, I've been in contact with the guys at Dogwood Gaming for years, and they have just released a brand new game on Steam today. It's called Knife Fight, not Knife Fight, Knife Fight. And it's a really fun game. It's uncomplicated, it's just a barrel of laughs, and you should really check it out. I mean, I've been following these guys, and they've been, basically friends for years now. I've seen them work so hard to get this out there. It's a small indie studio, and they can really use your support, right? So I would be really pleased if you check out the link below. This is not sponsored or anything like that. It's just helping out a friend. Please check that out. Let them know what you think. It's early release stage, so you get to play around with the game and give feedback and comments on what you think and what you like and whether stuff should be changed or not. But that said, this has to be a winner for them, right? So please help me support it. It would mean the world to me. Thank you so much. And Wednesday we're going to have another tutorial. Bye.